Look at me. Regulator recovery, reach method. First breath in and out to relax and get ready. Remove the regulator from your mouth. Make sure the mouthpiece is facing the bottom. Never hold your breath. Make sure you are blowing some bubbles. Place the regulator behind your shoulder. Push up the tank from its bottom with the left arm. Recover the regulator by reaching its hose at the first stage. Replace it back into your mouth. Push the purge button to clear the regulator and be able to breathe. All is done.